In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change margin and padding in Gutenberg WordPress. Understanding how to adjust margin and padding within Gutenberg is crucial for those looking to fine-tune the presentation of their website and create a more polished, professional appearance. Let's start by opening your WordPress dashboard and navigating to the page or post where you want to adjust the margins or padding. Once you're there, select the block you wish to edit. Gutenberg makes this process rather intuitive, as each block can be adjusted independently. You'll notice a sidebar on the right when you select a block. This sidebar holds numerous options for customizing your selected block, such as color, typography, and indeed, the spacing we're focusing on today. Now, let's delve into the concept of margin and padding. Margin refers to the space outside of an element, creating distance from other elements on the page. Padding, on the other hand, is the space within the element, between the element's contents and its border. These two settings determine how crowded or spaced out your content appears, influencing the overall feel of your web page. With this understanding, let's adjust the padding and margin. In the sidebar, look for the spacing panel. Here's where you'll find fields for both margin and padding. Depending on your theme or any custom settings, these fields might show up differently, but usually, they will have areas to type in values for each side of the element. By clicking and typing in these fields, you can directly input the desired amount of margin or padding. Remember, these values are usually entered as pixels, so if you want a uniform spacing of 10 pixels around an element, you'll enter 10 px in each field. A top tip to make sure your changes are visually pleasing is to experiment with these values. Begin with small increments and preview your page, often using the preview button at the top right of your editor. This way, you can see changes as they happen and adjust accordingly without committing to a final design until you're satisfied. For those looking to apply margin and padding universally across multiple blocks, consider exploring reusable blocks or setting defaults within your theme settings if this option is available. Check if your theme settings or a custom CSS file can achieve a uniform look, providing consistency across your entire site without manually adjusting each block. Finally, once you're satisfied with your adjustments, don't forget to save or update your page. This ensures that all your refinements are preserved and reflected on the live web page. By understanding and manipulating the margin and padding settings in Gutenberg WordPress, you can create clean, organized layouts that enhance user experience and aesthetic appeal. Be sure to experiment and check your changes as you fine-tune your page design, leveraging these elements to achieve the exact spacing and balance that fits your vision.